What's up, it's your boyfriend. I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now for more cool videos like this and tips and updates. I actually wanted a video of me dyeing my hair. Since I dyed it last time on Instagram, it turned out to be like this weird color. It was like this purple violet. No, it was actually weird because like my hair went like through like some phases, but like I guess this time you guys are gonna actually see if I can actually get that color back, because it was actually a big ass mistake. I'm not even gonna front you guys. Like that color was not. See this Fenty skin color? It was almost like this color. I'm gonna see if I can do that again. I'm gonna try to show you guys how I got that process, how I did everything step by step. It is a 2-day process, so hopefully you guys are up for it. I don't know if I mentioned this, but I am not a hairstylist. I actually seen this on YouTube, so you know, I'm just showing you guys what I learned, and it worked for my hair. I'm a little nervous because I guess this is like my first video back on this platform. I don't know, I'm gonna try to utilize it more because I'll be having so much to share with you guys, and I don't know. I like recording videos, I like taking pictures, so why not just hop back on YouTube? So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to me down below because it's all 2021 is gonna be a whole ride. So just go ahead and subscribe right now. Okay, now this is actually my second time dyeing my hair. The first time I dyed my hair, it was kind of an accident. I already had some product inside my hair, so when I dyed my hair, it actually turned it to this color that I wasn't kind of familiar with. It kind of was an accident, but you know, I had to rock it. So I was just like, you know, this is it, this is me, I'm gonna rock it. So let's hope this time I can get that color back, because I ended up falling in love with the color. It was just so, I don't know, it was just different, and I'm gonna see if, you know, we get that color back today. Okay, so for anybody watching, I'm just gonna let you guys know I am not a hairstylist. I do kind of cut my hair, you know, here and there. I have dyed my hair multiple times throughout my lifetime, so I'm kind of familiar with doing this. So if this is your first time, I do recommend you probably getting some help from somebody that is already familiar with, you know, bleaching and hair products and dyeing and doing stuff like that. But for the most part, it's really not that hard. Like, all you gotta do is just bleach your hair, leave it on. But no, I wouldn't say that. Don't listen to me, because everybody has different type of hair texture. So yeah, I would, if I was you guys, I wouldn't do this. Don't do it. Okay, so the color that I'm originally going for is platinum blonde. Now, I know a lot of people use toner. Actually, when I was at Sally's, the lady, she gave me a toner for the platinum blonde. So if you want to just dye your hair just one time and then use the toner, the platinum blonde toner, you go ahead and do that. But for me, I never actually tried it. I just automatically just dye my hair twice, and I just love the way it looked. I love how I can style my hair. I just love the outcome of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick to what I do, and if it doesn't work out for you, you can always go ahead and do the platinum toner. So the products that I actually use to dye my hair are the BW2, and this is the extra strength. Let me get it in there for you guys. And when I went to Sally's, I pretty much just asked the ladies there what I need. I showed them the YouTube video, and they just pretty much pointed out what I needed. So I used the BW2, and then I also pour the volume 40 cream inside of it. And like I said, you can find all these products at Sally's. And if you're a boy like me, you're really not familiar with hair products like that. Although I did grow up around a lot of ladies that did hair, but you know, not everybody was dyeing hair, you know, like this or whatever. So, you know, I asked them at Sally's, and they pointed out these products for me. It was a little bit under $20, so yeah, I think it was $20. Yeah, it was about $20 when I bought it. So these are the two products that I use, and I actually just, this is the powder right here, and I just pour this inside here, and I mix it around. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. And I also got this Shimmer and Light shampoo, the bronze and silver. Now this is really expensive. This is like, I think it's like $20 for one bottle, and this is just the shampoo. I was gonna get the conditioner too, but I was like, I really don't need it that much. But what this does is, a lot of you guys dye your hair and like it's like that brassy color, almost like, you know, a Duracell battery, like it's that brown bronzy color. For me, nothing's wrong with that color, but like I wasn't really going for that copper color. So if you have like that copper color, what you do is you buy this Shimmer and Light shampoo right here, and you go ahead and you put it inside your hair, and you wash your hair with it, and then occasionally after time, it would just wash out that bronzy color and start giving more of that platinum silver color. So we're gonna see that later on in this tutorial. Okay, the first step that you're gonna do is you're gonna take your powder right here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually, what I do is I take 2 scoops. Some people do like 1.5, but I just do the full 2. So you get 1 right here, put in a little mixing bowl. Me, I have a regular bowl, but if you wanna get a little fancy, you get a mixing bowl. 2 scoops, right here in my little bowl. Then another key trick that I've seen that a lot of people do when they bleach their hair, they actually put like Vaseline or they put like lotion around like the perimeters of their edges and stuff, just so it doesn't burn your skin and stuff. So that's what I'm actually gonna do right now. So after you go ahead and you add the Vaseline or lotion, I went ahead and put both on my forehead just to be safe, only because I don't want no burning or anything. After you go ahead and add that, you're going to take your 40 volume developer, twist this, and then you have your bleach powder. Just go ahead and pour. I just pour enough to where it looks like, you know, I can mix it all and it's a nice little thick paste. Get my little mixing brush and I just mix it around. Now, once you have it all stirred up and everything, you want it to look somewhat like this, like a nice little paste. Now, before you start, you also want to comb your hair all the way back, but like not too much to the point to like where you're scratching your scalp, because you do not want it to burn. And you're only doing this only because you want that bleach to get all in the roots. Okay, once you have all your hair like combed back and everything, then you just go ahead and start applying the bleach. I like to start from the front and then with my hairline, and then just make my way to the back. You want to do this quickly because the bleach, you want it to be like the same color all around. So you want to work like real quickly. Now, after about like 10 minutes, you might feel like tingling and stuff. As soon as I applied it onto my hair, I automatically went ahead and set my timer for 1 hour and 15 minutes. That's just generally what I leave it on because that's what the tutorial that I first watched told me to do it on. I just leave it on there. But what I like to do is I really like to make sure that I have my edges and stuff touched up because I don't want any black to show. I'm trying to go for a Jack Frost vibe, you feel me? So it's already changing right now, but this is just day 1. All right, now what I actually like to do while I'm sitting here waiting for the process to get done, I put a little baggie over my head. I got this one from Sally's. I think they're like $1 or $2. So you go ahead and get your little clear plastic bag, put it over your head and just let it sit, and then you'll be good. Okay, so now once the 1 hour and 30 minutes is done, you can go ahead and take it off. And you can see like your hair is like that yellowish color. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and hop in the shower with our Shimmer Light shampoo and whatever other shampoo you use. I use like Suave conditioner, just something with a lot of protein and like, cause you're stripping your hair so you don't want it to be like really dry and stuff. So I like to use a lot of products that already have like, what's the word I'm looking for? They already have like a lot of moisture and stuff that's gonna moisturize my hair. So something that has like avocado or coconut or something just with oil would be really good to do that. So this is your final result. Okay, so after you get the shower, this is your final product. Some people stop right here because, you know, they like this color. Me, I want a more blonde, platinum blonde, intense color. So I did use my Shimmer Lights Blonde and Silver shampoo. So that's what got this color, and it's not really that black, that brassy color. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm actually going to put some more product on my hair. So some protein product on my hair and just let it sit overnight. I'm gonna come back to it and dye it again tomorrow. What's up, you guys? So it has been 24 hours. This is my result of just day 1. Now, some people, they stop at this color because they just love it, but If you pay close attention, you kind of see like where it's a little yellowish. That's that brassy color I was talking about. So if you use the Shimmer Light Blonde and Silver shampoo, it's gonna go ahead and, you know, wash that out for you. But for me, I'm going for more of a, you know, a white, almost grandpa type vibe, you know? So I'm gonna bleach my hair one more time, just like how I did the day before. Well, yesterday, just how I did yesterday. And I'm gonna do it for an hour and 15 minutes. And we're gonna see how that goes. Okay, so I got my powder again. I put my 2 scoops inside here. Now I'm gonna take my 40 volume developer and I'm gonna pour it inside here. And me, I just use enough to turn it into a paste. I don't really think it matters how much volume 40 you use, just as long as you like get it to a nice paste, you know? Stir it around. Now this time when you apply the bleach, you want to apply it to the parts that you see that's brassy the most. Now for me, I did good dyeing it the first time, so it's not really that brassy, but I could see, you know, some spots right here. So that's what I'm gonna start at first. And I'm gonna work my way around my whole head. Okay, so once you have your bag back on your head and everything, you're gonna put it on there for about an hour and 15 minutes. Now what I do every 10 minutes, I like to pull my hair just to make sure I still got it, you feel me? And it's still there. This is the update. Now at the end, what I like to do is I like to take a comb and I like to just make sure all the spots are like laid down. But as you can see, it's starting to give you that white color that we're looking for. All right, so this is the color that you get after you dye it for a second time. I did go ahead and wash it with the Shimmer Light shampoo. So now you can see it's like that almost white platinum blonde Storm from X-Men vibe. That's kind of the vibe that we're going for. And this time I did a good job dyeing it, so it's really not as many brassy spots like that, like how it was the first time. So if you are like, if you still see like brassy spots inside your hair, what you can do is you can use the Shimmer Light shampoo. You can just constantly wash your hair, wash your hair, wash your hair. It will help fade that out. But what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna head to the barber so you can fade the sides, and I'm gonna check in with you guys later on tonight. All right, you guys, so I just got back from the barber shop right now, and this is my updated look. I just had them clean up the sides. I haven't did my hair or anything yet. If you guys want like my styling tutorial, like on how to style my hair and everything, just go ahead and comment down below and I'll go ahead and give you guys a styling tip and everything. I'll let you guys know everything I do. But yeah, this is the final result. I'm never gonna front you guys. This time I was a little scared dyeing my hair. Now that I'm like actually done with it and like I'm like fully done with it, because the first time I did it, you know, I messed up. Like I still had hair products inside my hair, so you know, it didn't really come out the way that I wanted it to come out. But like this time, like I'm really satisfied this time. Like at this point, I think I'm a whole hairstylist. Like arrogance head, watch out. But if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up down below. If you want more videos like this, go ahead and comment and let me know my next color that you think I should do inside my hair. I'm thinking red. What do you guys think? Go ahead and comment down below. And my name is FrederickHines. Go ahead and subscribe. Peace out.